Hi guys, this video I show you best free hosting. So first link this here. So you copy this link and open the browser and paste this. I provide this link in description. So this is a website provide free hosting unlimited. Cloud hosting that is free and unlimited. Need a design how cover yes. This website provide free hosting and best for free plan. Direct admin, not cpanel, database 2, email address 3, disk spec 500 MB, free upgrades, and also domain provide 3 domain provide for subdomain with this. So this website provide free hosting. This is the first one, and second one we already show you Profreehost. This website provide unlimited disk spec, unlimited backspeed, MySQL database, easy control panel. This thing is provide focus ad free WordPress, Joomla, etc. This is a software working with. Now second website is search again in new tab. This website is internet service by Byet.host. This provide free hosting network and free hosting plans. Domain, MySQL, support option, all is free. This is a very good for beginners. Yeah, this is a free hosting plan. PHP, MySQL, all is included. Is very good for us. And now his third website is Infinity free web hosting, completely free website hosting with PHP, MySQL, and no ad on your site. This is a very good thing. Free website hosting for over 10 years तक ये this website is provide free hosting, fastest free hosting, 99% uptime, unlimited hosting, host any domain, no ad in your site, completely free. This is a very good 5 GB disk, unlimited bank, 400 MySQL database, full HTTPS support, PHP latest version, free subdomains, free SSL on your all domains. This is a very good thing. And free DNS service. Infinity free. This is a very well done. Next video I will do completely free tutorial for you to how to sign in and how to connect your domain free norm. Now is the fourth website is freehosting.com. Freehosting.com provide free hosting and free web hosting. We provide absolutely free web hosting that all feature and tools. Now click sign up for free. cpanel provide WordPress install. Very good. This is a all good. But some services is not provide server configuration PHP. This type of service is not provide. Free package details 10 GB storage, unlimited unmetered bandwidth, one host website, one email account, one MySQL database, no subdomain. That's good but not good. Infinity free is better than this. Now this fifth website is copy this link. I provide this link in description. This is website awardspace.com. where ideas turn into website. Free web hosting, a free subdomain, PHP, app installer, email sending, and no ads. This is good. Two website hosts, unlimited disk space, free SSL. This is a very good thing. Free SSL is very important for internet. This is a very good. 1 hour response time. Well done. This is also good. Infinity free and award space. This is very well. Now seventh website is triple zero web host, I think. Yeah, triple zero web host connection is secure. This website is provide free hosting as well. Here it is, free web hosting on website, no ad. This, see other feature, no SSL. This is not good for beginners because he want a SSL, and this is SSL is very important. And Cloudflare is working, WordPress not working. Oh, this is not good. And the last website is Wpnodes.net. This website provides free hosting, WordPress, WooCommerce. Close this ad. No script auto limited, 1 GB space limited, 10 GB backup, no backup. So this type of website is top. I think top 7 website I show you. The number one I recommend Infinity Free. This is a very good because it provide SSL completely free, no ad on your site, host any domain. This is a very good thing. And then Profreehost, this is already show you in second video. You will check it. I and then this website I rank third. Sorry, this website award space. This website I rank in third because free SSL, 1 hour time, 27 hour support. This is a very good thing. Any problem you will contact us. So this website, this video I provide 7 free hosting website. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe my channel for interesting video. Bye for now.